Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral from 0 to positive infinity of ax minus sine of ax over x multiplied with 1 plus x to the power of 2 dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we put 1 plus x squared in here. Next, about this one, we have ax divided by x. So you got about a, and we keep about sine of ax over x. So if we look carefully about this one, we can revert the integral back from the integral from 0 to a, and that should be about 1 plus 1 minus cosine xy. So we return back the integral in here. So that should be about like this. We put about 0 and we put about a. So we got about 1 minus cosine xy dy. Because if we do this integral in here, we will get about x minus sine xy over x, and then we put the number in here. This is the reason why you got this integral in here. Next, we change the integral. This one go in here and this one go outside. So I change to this one to positive infinity. This one go a. So dy we change to dx, and dx we change to dy. Next, we move 1 plus x squared in here. So we will have two integrals in here. The first one, the second one. For this one, we got about r tan of s, and we put about 0 and positive infinity. So we put 0 and put the limit in here. For r tan of s, you will go about b over 2. This one we will change about p over 2 multiplied with e to the power of negative absolute value of y. Next, this is the basic. Now let's see about y. The integral of b over 2, you got about b over 2 of with y. The integral of this one, you will go about the positive because we have the negative in here. And we have 0 and 8. So we put number 8 and 0 for y. Y equal to 0, so this one e to the power of 0, and you got about number 1. So that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.